Today we're going to take a look at Panasonic's EX-L200 series ultra compact amplifier built-in laser sensors. Within this series there are several diffuse mode styles. In this video we're going to take a quick look at the spot reflective type that has the ability to detect very small objects with incredible precision. This is the EX-L200. The minimum detectable object is 0.01 millimeter reflective wire. That is roughly 4/10,000ths of an inch with a repeat accuracy of 0.2 millimeters or around 8/1000ths of an inch. The sensor has a sensing range of 45 to 300 millimeters or roughly 1 3/4 inches to just under 12 inches of range. The spot diameter at 300 millimeters is only 1 millimeter or around 4/100ths of an inch. To demonstrate this sensor, I have the smallest drill bit that I could find. It's roughly 0.152 millimeters or about 6/1000ths. It's very small. I slightly modified an existing bracket design and added some slotted holes in order to get a larger adjustment angle and printed that out. Then I printed out this holder for the bits that would attach to the linear slide. Let's see if the sensor can detect the drill bit. As I'm adjusting this linear slide, it is adjusting to actually within 0.2 millimeters from the turn on point each time I moved it into the beam. It's really quite impressive. This is the EX-L200 series from Panasonic. EX-L221 is this particular sensor. For more information, please visit our website at ramcoi.com or give us a call at 800-280-6933. Thanks a lot. What do you think, Bender?
It's so beautiful.